Yung Fear and Greed Index 2021, nag-high tayo ng 90 something, di ba? Sabi natin kanina. Ano ba nangyari sa presyo? So, we need to take a look. Ano nangyari sa presyo ng Feb 2021? Ito po. We are at this area. Uy, similar din pala yan, ha? Kung nasan tayo ngayon. Alright, ito po, no? Ito po yan. This is the February. Okay, yung next po is March na to, na candle. Monthly chart po ito. So, after that, after nung peak ng Fear and Greed Index natin nung February, yung March and April bumomba pa. Right? And then June tayo nag-correct. And then nag-double top tayo ng November. So if we're going to continue this pattern, February na ngayon, katapusan na to. I don't know kung saan tayo magko-close. Exciting din pala yung closing today, kasi monthly close tayo. So, meron ka pa talagang isang push posible, March and April, o may isa ka pang push towards all-time high siguro. Baka yung halvening or before halvening, maybe we'll reach the all-time high na, okay, before the halvening. And then, baka doon tayo mag-correct. Ay, gusto nyo yan! Follow for more dito moves!